coaches or marketers, are you running workshop funnel, webinar funnel for yourself or for your clients? Then this video is for you. Why? Because in this video I am going to tell you how you can boost your sales to next level after the workshop. Because till workshop everything is done. Now we need to get more sales after the workshop, and I have seen if you get 10 sales in the workshop, it is highly possible that you get 10 sales after the workshop by implementing the strategies which I am going to show in this video. So before that, if you are a coach or marketer, subscribe to our channel, because we are going to give such strategies, and we have developed these strategies and processes and systems after running agency for 5 years and working for coaches and closely working with marketers, and eventually generating 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crores for our client in monthly revenues. So these strategies are very powerful, and I am going to share with you in our YouTube channel. So do subscribe. Moving forward to the video. First and the most important thing is emails. And what emails? So everybody will tell you send emails, do emails after the workshop, but no one will tell you the complete flow. So in this video, let's move into the flow. So the first email should be replay email. Now many people attended your workshop or didn't attend, not necessary, but a replay video should be there. Why? Because it's very important. With the replay video, you are again coming into their face and they remember what you said into the webinar. It's more about mindset. Okay, even if they were part of webinar, once the replay goes, and let's say if they were part of the webinar and didn't buy, when replay goes, they will watch the video maybe for 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and they remember the complete story which you said into the webinar, and eventually they take the buying decision. Okay, they take the buying decision. So first video should always be the replay video. Okay, then comes the testimonial. They again want to see some of the testimonials from your existing customer, or your success story, basically your customer success story. Once they watch that, they make their buying decision. Now you might be saying, Sagar, all of this we have already shown them in the webinar. Yes, you are right, but that's the power of emails. That's the power of post webinar. People need some more time to take the decisions. And if you don't send the testimonial again and think that I have already shown this testimonial into the webinar, you are into a big myth or a mistake, I would say. Sending the testimonial again makes the buying decision more. Why I am telling this? There was one of our client, like earlier we had an email sequence without testimonials, same thinking that we have already shown testimonial into the webinar. Then we somehow added that, and we saw for the testimonial video we got 50% open rate, almost 10% offer clicks, link clicks, and eventually sales. So that's the power of testimonial. You only believe someone when you see that their product is giving results, right? That's the power of testimonial. Third step is your story. Why you are the best. Why you are best. So my story is, I started working with coaches or into funnel industry 5 years back, and I have worked with coaches at every step. When I started my journey, when I was working with one coach, instead of focusing on 10 different clients, I worked with one coach for one complete year. And in that one complete year, I took them from 0 to almost 2.5 CR of revenue every month. And there is a step from 0 to 2.5 CR. There are 10 steps. Be good at funnels, be good at marketing, be good at creatives, be good at sales part, be good at pre-webinar, be good at post-webinar. I have optimized each and every step. And that's why I'm telling you that we are the best marketing agency, funnels traffic, who has the experience of doing this for lots and lots of coaches. If you want, you can work with us, subscribe to our or book the call here. So this is a story. Same way, build your authority with your story, why you are the best. And that way, tell your story, right? So now the fourth step is offer. You have to explain the offer step by step again in the mail, like what they are getting. Now the best way to explain the offer is, let's say you are a fitness coach, okay? And now there are 7 steps in fitness to reach their goal. Now your offer should be step 1, there should be something they should be getting some key element for step 1. They should be getting some key element for step 2. Let's say step 1 is diet. So your offer should have the exact diet you need to reduce 5 kg in next 30 days. So this is the part of your offer. This is not your complete offer. This is a part of your offer, because diet is a part of fitness journey. Then exercise, the exact 3 exercise which you can do at your home in just 15 minutes for next 30 days to achieve this goal. So your offer becomes very clear. I have seen people giving any kind of offer, right? So if you give the offer in such a way that offer is clear, and again you can describe the complete offer in mail. That's the power of email. Okay. Now the last comes is urgency. Tell them that we are giving this, since you attended the webinar, since you are a part of my webinar list or by part of my webinar attendee, we are giving this offer just for today for you. So if you want it, usually our price is 20,000 rupees, but if you sign up today, this is the last day, we are giving it to you in 15,000 rupees plus the bonus which no one gets, like plus the bonus, not only the price thing but also the added bonus of taking the fast action bonus. Okay, I missed this point, fast action bonus. So once you do this, once you do emails in such a way, you see, if you are getting 10 sales in the webinar, you will get additional 5 sales via email. Now you said, Sagar, earlier you said you can get 10 sales. Yes, there are more strategies, come on. Then comes the sales call. This is the most powerful stuff which everyone misses. Now let's go deep dive into sales calls also. Now what you can do is, I'll explain you more on the sales calls. Okay. So what you can do is, there is a tool called Callizer, Calllizer. Let's say there are 500 people attending your workshop. Okay, 500 people attending your workshop, and now you have 2 sales people. Now you divide those among 500 leads in 2 people. Give 250 to one, 250 to second person. Okay. Now give them the phone. You obviously, since they are sales people, you will give them the phone from which they will call. Add this tool Callizer into their phone. Now, since you are the coach or you are the admin person or the sales admin, you can see how much time these people have actually called, like how many people they have actually called, how much time they have communicated with them, which calls are the winning calls, which calls are the losing calls. Now let's say they called 250 people and eventually they converted 3 people. Now you have the exact call recording of 3 people which got actually closed, right? And you have also the call recording of people who didn't convert it. Now you know why didn't they convert, you know why did this person convert. Now, so in sales calls also you are analyzing each and every sales call and analyzing the data. So this is how your sales conversion rate will improve to the next level. So one of our clients sells almost 100 tickets in a workshop, but the power which he has is he sells 100 more tickets after the workshop. How? This is the power. He has a sales team of 10 people with these tools, with all the recordings, the winning call recordings, the losing call recordings. Now he has systemized the process. Now, second thing, not just that, one more thing he has done is, so he has 10 people in a team, he has 1 people very good in who is speaking in Marathi language. So he gives them the leads from Maharashtra. He has such deep down data that I know this person would be good in speaking in Marathi. So why not he calls a person and he is Maharashtrian, why not he talk in Marathi and make the customer more comfortable. Like let's say if someone talks in your mother tongue, you are more comfortable in talking, right? So this is it. Divide district wise, divide state wise. So there are n number of possibilities to improve your sales call, and once you start improving. Okay. So this is the second step. Third is WhatsApp messages. The same sequence which I showed you email, should also go on the WhatsApp. Now we have the power of WhatsApp. Earlier there was no power of WhatsApp, but now this is the fact. In India, more than like out of 130, out of complete population, every year 10% people are coming onto the WhatsApp, 10%, and eventually in next 5 years you would see more than 75 to 80 billion people, which is almost 60 to 70% of the Indian population will be there on the WhatsApp. And why are you not using the power of WhatsApp? Create WhatsApp communities. Before when they register, add them into WhatsApp communities, and now send the offer into the WhatsApp communities, or use WhatsApp business APIs, tools like ASNC, Vati, connect them with the Facebook Messenger and use the power of that, because 80% people of Indians are there on WhatsApp, and eventually they would keep on increasing. So use the power of WhatsApp. Fifth, now let's say you got 100,000 people registered, 500 people attended, but still there are remaining 500 people. What do you do of those? Again, call them in the next workshop. Again, call them in the next workshop. Now, the power lies is not calling them in the next workshop only. The power lies in, let's say your topic is how to reduce 2 kg weight in 7 days. You are consistently doing webinar on this topic, but after a month you would see there would be 1,000 people who have not attended your workshop. Now they have already registered but still didn't attend. Maybe this topic is not appealing to them. They somehow registered because they want to get fit, they want to reduce weight, but this topic is not catchy. Maybe okay, what you do, you conduct a webinar on different topic. How you reduce weight, how you can reduce weight without going to gym. Different topic, same offer. Your goal is definitely to get them reduce weight, but can you see without going to the gym? Add it, they get more attracted. Now you can add reduce weight by eating everything you love. Different topic, call them via these attractive topics and eventually give them the value and eventually sell your offer. But there are 99% not willing to do this extra topic. They feel this is going on good, let's continue it. But we at Funnels Traffic Agency give ideas to our clients. In fact, we get them do the different landing page for this offer, again with a different registration sequence, call them into different webinar and eventually tell them to do a different webinar. That's how their sales are skyrocketing. So not just non-attendees will come to your next webinar, but they will come to a different angle webinar. That's the power. Then comes to boost your sales, you eventually have to do upsells, sell more of your stuff to other people. Or let's say your offer is 10,000 rupees or 15,000 rupees. Many people didn't bought. Now create an offer of 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. Let's say you come up with a 2-day or 3-day boot camp. Now people who have not bought it, like they can buy a 3-day boot camp for 1,000 rupees and eventually bring them, give them more value in those 3 days and eventually sell your 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees product. This is how you are utilizing 100% of your audience, and eventually not your ROAS or return on ad spend is much more higher, your profitability is much more higher. But to do this is just the post workshop funnel. Imagine the amount of effort it takes to be a successful coach, to be a profitable coach. And we at Funnels Traffic Agency are actually working with coaches also on post webinar follow up, not just giving them the leads, running ads, not just that. This is more powerful. This is giving additional 10 to 15 lakh rupees of their revenue every month, and that's the power of post webinar. So this was a video. I wanted to do it because many coaches are struggling to make profits in 2024, but I don't want you to do that. So that's the reason I'm revealing all my strategies to you so that you win eventually. So if you like the video, do comment, do subscribe to our channel, and all the best for your funnels. Thank you.